Need to reset your Apple Watch? Whether you're selling it, fixing a glitch, or starting completely fresh, you are in exactly the right place. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to reset it, step by step, so you can pick whichever one fits your situation. And yes, I will tell you what to do before you reset so you don't lose anything important. Let's get into it. Before we touch anything, a quick but important step: back up your Apple Watch. Your watch data, activity rings, health history, and app settings is backed up automatically through your iPhone. So as long as you have a recent iPhone backup in iCloud, you're covered. First, let's look at how you can unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. This is a full erase and it's best for selling, giving away, or major troubleshooting. Open the watch app on your iPhone and make sure your watch is nearby and connected. Now tap on the All Watches button from the top left corner. Next, tap on the I button next to your watch's name. Here, scroll down and tap on Unpair Apple Watch. Enter your Apple ID password if asked. If activation lock is on, you will need to enter the password for the Apple ID linked to the watch. This is a security step to prevent unauthorized resets. Wait for the erase to complete. Your watch will restart and show the setup screen with Start Pairing button. It's now a clean slate, ready to sell, gift, or repair. Next, let's see how you can reset or erase directly from the Apple Watch. This is best for when watch is unpaired or iPhone is unavailable. Press the digital crown button to go to the home screen. Here, find and tap on the Settings app icon. Then go to General. Here, find and tap on the Reset option. Next, tap on Erase All Content and Settings button. This is the full factory reset option. Tap it and confirm. If you have a passcode set, you will need to enter it here. Wait for the watch to restart. The Apple logo will appear and the watch will reboot. When it finishes, you will see the language selection screen. The reset is complete. If you don't want to completely erase your Apple Watch, you can also force reset it. This is best for when your watch is frozen, you have forgotten its passcode, or the screen is unresponsive. Charge the Apple Watch first, then hold the side button and the digital crown buttons together until you see the Apple logo on the screen. When the Apple logo appears, release the button and let the watch restart. This is a forced restart. It does not erase your data. If the watch was frozen, it should now reboot normally. If you need a full erase after this, use method 1 or method 2. That's all 3 methods. Unpair from iPhone for a full clean reset, erase directly on the watch if your phone isn't nearby, or force restart if it's frozen. Drop a comment and let me know which one you needed. And if you found this helpful, a like really does help other Apple Watch owners find this video. Thanks for watching.